Hello and welcome to Maia Talks. Today, Maya is going to be talking about coughing.
I waited for this cough syrup to come down.
For those of you who don't know, coughing is the expulsion of foreign particles from the throat by way of forcing air out of the lungs at high and annoying speeds and pressure. I know a lot about coughing because I've had one myself for the past 8 days now. Nothing makes you want to punch someone more than hearing them produce the following noises. But now that I've become one of those people, I think it's time that we have a little bit of empathy. This week, I'm sporting a cute postnasal drip and a touch of dry throat. That means that my cough is an attempt to hack up loogies. It may sound like I'm on death's door, but my doctor told me that my lungs are sounding great, so fuck you, actually. The reason it sounds so gross is because my cough is actually productive. As in, it is successfully rounding up all the mucus and shoving it up and out. An unproductive cough is when your lungs can't get it together. Pathetic. People have been mad at me all week because sometimes I forget to cover my mouth when I cough. Honestly, these bursts happen so fast sometimes that I just don't have time to lift up my arm. Plus, ew, you think I want to cough on myself? I'm already sick. Selfish much? When my sister was little, she was like, what if we just cover the other person's mouth when they cough?
One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa.
And I was like, that's genius. I work with kids, and kids are perpetually coughing. They don't cover their mouths either, so sometimes I have to do it for them. That's probably why I'm sick. One time, a kid coughed on me, and I just coughed right back on him. The parents were like, yeah, that's fair. Revenge. When you're young, they teach you the vampire cough, where you go like this, like you're covering yourself with your Dracula cape. But not only is that so much effort, it makes you look way worse than you actually are. Which concerns you more? Or the only good thing about having a cough is the muscles that it works out. I'm seriously getting the core training of a lifetime here. Rock hard abs, here I come. You know, farting is like coughing for your butt. Well, that's all for today, folks. Please get your flu shots or stay out of society.